going to?
Okay.
Palm Cove, sorry. We are heading to Palm Cove. We're just gonna have lunch in there. We only have breakfast. What we do have? Cereal. We only have cereal for breakfast, and we are now ready for our lunch. The time is 6 minutes before 11 o'clock. We just left Cairns and heading to Palm Cove. We are in Smithfield, and it's very, well, not very, but it's a bit smoky, misty. It's smoky outside. There's a bushfire somewhere, don't know. It's very dry. You can see the grass outside. It's very, very dry. We haven't had rain for a while, for a few months, and that causes high risk of a bushfire this time of the year. So hopefully rain will come sooner, and they're having a major construction work in here, putting a bridge over. They've been working here for a while, for a few months already, because it's a very, well, the traffic here can be really bad. It's heavy traffic. This here is the university here in Cairns, James Cook University campus, somewhere there. They do a lot of service there, like free service I'm talking about, like dental service. You make an appointment if you have concession card like that, then you can you're entitled to make a reservation for free dental cleaning or dental services, things like that.
Students, training.
Yeah, that's right. For students, that is for the students to play with your teeth. See, they play around with your teeth for free.
Like fix your teeth.
No, I want to call it play around with your teeth. It's better like that, you know, because a lot of people do scared to go to the dentist. And of course here they have a sign for be careful with the kangaroos, because we have a lot of kangaroos that cross in here that get run over quite often. We're just gonna go and have lunch at Palm Cove, and we're gonna go and walk around in there. I will show you around Palm Cove. We will show you around Palm Cove. You shouldn't just say I, because there's two of us. My babe here is driving.
Hi.
Oh, look at the houses in there. See? Real, well, I should say estate. Estate, that's right. I always pronounce it wrong. It's estate. And that's the reason why kangaroos, wallabies, pretty face wallabies, they have to cross the road in here, and they get run over because there's a lot of houses popping up everywhere. Palm Cove isn't that far. It's about 30 minutes, 20 minutes drive.
30 minutes.
30 minutes drive from Cairns, and it's good because it doesn't have a lot of traffic light, which is good. They have a lot of roundabout that goes round and round. Traffic go round and round and round, and yeah, it keeps the traffic flowing constantly, better than traffic light. Hi guys, we're back again. We're here now in Palm Cove, a very nice front restaurants and cafe around here, and of course there's some shops around here. There's a hairdresser in there. This is a holiday
Show the water.
place. There's the beach. Very nice place to visit for holiday. And the water is just there. The It's a bit traffic, of course, because we are free. You found the parking.
Yeah, but no, we'll have to get it up here. This place is wrong.
Alright.
It's in the shade anyway.
We arrived. We're just gonna go and find a coffee shop somewhere. Gonna have a breakfast because we didn't have much breakfast. Well, it's lunch. It's already lunchtime. Okay, let's go and have a look which shop we're gonna go, or restaurant.
There we go, the flat white and lactose free. Yep.
Yes, thanks. Thank you so much.
Thanks, buddy.
That's a beautiful coffee. What are you doing?